The best 4K drone for the money. Looking for the best 4K drone? Here you will find the most affordable 4K drones and some excellent models to check out. What to consider while buying best 4K drone? There are a lot of things you need to consider before buying a drone. You need to think about how often you'll fly it, if you want it to be small or bigger, whether you want it to be indoor or outdoor, etc. All these factors come together to make your decision. It is not simple buying a cheap 4K drone because you will want a model that will suit your needs as well as your budget. One of the main questions is which type of 4K camera do you want to use with your drone? It is important to know what is the resolution, size of the image, FPS, and other aspects that influence the quality of the footage. Another important thing to consider is the flight time of the drone and its battery. So, if you are searching for a drone that can give you the best experience, it is advisable to take a look at some of the models included here, and you will be able to choose the best 4K drone for you. Top 3 best 4K drone for the money. DJI Mini 2. DJI's best-in-class aerial cinematography technology is now in a package small enough to fit in your pocket. The new DJI Mini 2 is a compact, all-in-one camera system that includes a high-quality 4K 30fps cinematic camcorder, as well as a powerful controller that's designed to make it easy to control your camera. With a minimum flight time of 31 minutes, a maximum range of 10 miles, and dual intelligent flight autonomy systems. For obstacle avoidance and self-balancing, the DJI Mini 2 is ready to capture everything in your world in incredible detail. The DJI Mini 2 is the best drone for the money. It features everything you need from a drone, a powerful 4K camera for amazing shoots, and a long flying time. If your budget allows it, go for this drone. If not, check out the rest of the drones from the top. SANROCK B5W GPS Drones with 4K UHD camera. This is the perfect quadcopter for beginners and experienced hobbyists. The advanced brushless motor delivers super smooth flight, and the 3D obstacle avoidance system provides stable and safe flight with minimal effort. The built-in camera allows you to record stunning aerial videos and photos in 4K UHD. You can also get real-time HD video by connecting the camera to your smart device. The integrated GPS module provides you with accurate position, speed, altitude, distance, and even direction. In addition, it is easy to return to home with the auto return function. With a long flight time, good performance, and the perfect size for traveling, the RTF4 is the perfect choice for you. Zenfolt Rc. This Zenfolt Rc quadcopter is suitable for both children and adults, and comes with a lot of amazing features. It has a 4K camera, 5G transmission, 1 key takeoff, waypoint fly, gesture control, altitude hold, 2 batteries and bag. It is easy to carry around with its foldable design. The Zenfolt Rc quadcopter is a compact, foldable, ready-to-fly drone with an HD camera that lets you take photos, videos, and record 360-degree panoramic photos. The included batteries provide flight time up to 34 minutes. It is a perfect gift for kids, teens, and adults. In conclusion, if you are thinking about getting a cheap drone, we recommend that you look for one that has good reviews and that you think will suit your needs. If you are looking for something affordable, the SANROCK has incredible camera features. And for a really good experience, you should definitely consider getting the DJI Mini 2. It is not only affordable, but it also offers a great range of features. Check the links in the description for details about each product. And please remember to like the video, comment, and subscribe.